Hello, friend. You know why I'm here. You know my name. Okay. So, without wasting on time, let us start today conversion. Many people have a good skill, have a good command in like their good command. That means it's an he know it's a better work and it's a lot of things he know. But one thing he not express ourselves. He not present the PPT. That means he is not presented the PPT present platform. Okay, I remember PPT, that you know PPT, that presentation related. Okay, PowerPoint presentation related. He don't know, but he know this skill like how to create this design and create the drawing and how to deal with, he know. But lag in communication, lag in presentation, lag in leadership skill, lag in a lot of things, and lagging in sharing communication. So what's wrong in human life? What's going on in modern people? It's only one reason, like he not spend herself, only one spend other self. That means this person he not spend ourself, मतलब खुद पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, बस दूसरे पे ध्यान देते हैं. So what's going on wrong, mister? So this type of activity happen nowadays. People don't know without how can realize these things. Of course I know some persons realize, but time is over and life is going next step, but not in back a space as well as in computer, like you write some word and read back a space, you clear and create new word and type new word. So in life it's not a back a space system, not a back a space button. First you go, you not coming back. So this is the like disadvantages of life. Some buzz in person, like in one boy in a student time, he think that I am become a doctor or I am a become a engineer. Okay, I mean it's a lot of things and a lot of category he thought in childhood, in student time, in like in college life. But in after 5 year, he think that like my ambition is wrong. So what happened in after 5 year, like I mean this person in before 5 year he think that I am a become a engineer, doctor, teacher, a lot of things. But in a be after 5 year, he think that I am not, this is not my ambition. So what's going on? Only one going on, like he thinking I am become a doctor. He like motivated with other, like he looks around, like my friend and my colleagues, my parents are telling me like this neighbor's person, this neighbor childhood, that means in never the around many types of student, many types of friend, the colleagues, like he become a doctor. So then after he decide I am a become a doctor. So this is a not a correct, because you follow them. So what, why are you following them? It's a your life, your work and your worksheet. First you interest, you choose, you find out what's your interest area. But people think that, and people talk that, how can I find in childhood time, how can I find in a student life? It's a easy, yeah, it's a easy. You control in your mind first you control your mind and control in your thought, and then after you find it. What's your purpose, why are you here, and what will you do? So this kind of question arise coming in your mind, but You busy in other activity like party, anniversary, friend day. It's a lot of things, but you not focus in yourself. So that's why you wars in yourself. Only one reason, you focus in other activity. You focus in I like in create the many friend, create the new colleague, new friend, new environment. So it's a bad things यार. It's a ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं, ये बहुत बुरी चीज़ें हैं. You first you focus in yourself. What will do and who I am, who am I, मैं कौन हूँ, मुझे क्या करना है. So in this question, this type of question answer will meet, but only one thing. First, you control in yourself. That means you control your mind and focus in one point. Then after you understand why I am here and what will I do, what's my job, what's my work, and what's my interest area, what's my this kind of activity related. So first you understand your choice, understand your feeling, understand your इंटरेस्ट, अंडर आप किस फील्ड में इंटरेस्ट हो उसको पहले पहचानो. देन आफ्टर यू गो दिस फील्ड एंड यू नॉट, आप किसी दूसरे का देखा मत करो, आप किसी दूसरे के जैसा बनने की कोशिश मत करो. यू आर नॉट लुकिंग एज वेल अदर पर्सन, यू लुकिंग इन योर सेल्फ, यू नॉट लुकिंग इन अदर सेल्फ. आप दूसरे के जैसा बनने मत कोशिश करो. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी अबाउट. So thank you friend, you watch my video, we will meet soon again.